we are back again here on our channel, and today we're gonna be eating some food. Now, as all of you might be knowing, that Durga Puja is the absolute bomb of the festival for all the Bengalis out there. And one of the main things that we definitely do during Durga Pujas is eat out, and eat out a lot we do. But as you all know, the pandemic's raging at this time of the year, and we cannot kind of go out to eat food. So guys, I ordered all of this food from the Taj Hotels through their amazing Qmin app. Now, Qmin is a very recent launch from the Taj Hotels corporation itself. What it actually does is allow you to order in food from all the Taj Hotels all over India. Now in Delhi, there are actually 4 hotels and 9 different restaurants that you can order from. So all your iconic foods from Machan, House of Ming, Spicy Duck, Masala Art, you can have it all in your home. I'm going to be dropping in the link to the Qmin app below in the description. And guys, you let us know what is your favorite Taj food in the comments below. Till then, I'm gonna dig into all of this food. The Qmin app is quite easy to operate, and once you have logged in either through your mobile phone or through an email ID, what you can do is see a selection of all the restaurants that are available in your city. As you can see here, we're in Delhi, so I have one of my favorites, Machan, on the screen, and I'm ordering some of the food that you can find in. What you do need to realize is that there are a few selections that you can order from specifically on the menu itself, and there has to be a minimum of 1500 rupees for an order to be delivered. Along with that, you can also swipe through the different restaurants. As you can see, there's where we are checking out Masala Art. So we're going to be ordering out our favorite Barra Kebab right here, which I'm going to be showcasing to you later on, and the Panch Farhan Machi Tikka, which is also getting some rave reviews. Along with that, what you need to know is that you can make a selection of the vegetarian and the non-vegetarian food, making you easier to select your food. Along with that, what Taj Hotels is also doing is that they are maintaining proper safety standards, so that disinfection and daily temperature checks for all their chefs, along with the contactless delivery. So you can be rest assured during these tougher times that you are going to be getting the food delivered to you safe as a rock. You have to do a selection of the time and the date of delivery, and the food will be delivered to you. Absolutely awesome. So let's check out what all dishes that we have right here. So there's the mushroom pizza, as you can see there. It had a lot of amazing mushrooms and that really thin crust pizza, which we kind of quite enjoyed. As you can see, there's the Barra Kebab right there, along with the Kandahari Paneer Tikka, the Gulab Jamun, and some tiramisu. Tasted amazing. There's the Panch Farhan Machi Tikka. Those Barra Kebabs really look amazing. I mean, once we dug into them, they were really tasty. And as you can see, we've got some really amazing Chinese food. Those are the king prawns, the tofu in black bean sauce. Along with that, we've got the fried rice right there, some noodles, and some more of the chicken. So that kind of rounds it up. We've ordered quite a bit of the food. Okay, we missed out on the rotis and the Indian food. Oh my god, I just missed out on all of that. So there's the dal, and we have the chicken lababdar, the methi gobi. So because we're based in Delhi, we ordered in some food from the House of Ming and the Spicy Duck, and let's try and dig into it. So let us just check out what we have out here. So we've got some jumbo prawns right here. We've got a veg hakka noodles, a veg fried rice. We've got a chicken prep, and we have got a really amazing tofu in black bean sauce. So let's just give it a try and let you know how the food is, as always. I mean, that's been one thing that has stayed consistent across Taj's food, whether it was when we were dining in or when we are kind of like getting this food into our homes. The food stays top notch and top quality, and it tastes amazing. I'm gonna dive into this chicken now. It's got that typical sweetness and it's got that hit of chili that I kind of enjoy so much. Now, I've been looking at these prawns for quite some time now, and I'm gonna make a dig for it. This is too big for my chopsticks right here. This smells really amazing. I'm just gonna have a big swig. See, we've got a very lavish spread out here. So we'll start off with some of the most awesome things that we can find during this pujo. So what we have here is the Panchphoron Machi Kebab, which is quite interesting in itself and has got that taste of kick. Along with that, we've got some Kandahari Paneer Tikka right here. We have the chicken lababdar, which looks quite lababdar actually. Along with that, we've got some Nalli Nihari, which has been made really amazing. I've just tasted it out and the flavors are quite rich and the meat actually falls off the bone. As you can see, one of the bones is actually separating off. We've got some decadent barra kebabs, which taste really out of this world, along with some methi gobi and some gulab jamuns to round it all off. Now these gulab jamuns look totally gigantic, and I'm gonna plan to dig into some of these while you order your food from Qmin.